the existing system in your company, such as mechanical engineering, ERP, PDM systems, and software engineering, such as PLCs. And Eplan platform exchange the data between Eplan cloud solutions, and there is a bidirectional link between Eplan cloud solutions and Eplan platform. So all these individual platform products are working based on individual GUIs, and we have decided to revamp these GUIs to a modern looking GUI. So while talking about new graphical interface, we have checked our existing solutions. We have found that it is not state of the art anymore. So, and most of the modern softwares are talking the user experience and how to improve the workflow, etc. So we also started thinking on that perspective. So what are the silent features of our new GUI? You have dark mode and light mode available for the users, and we have redesigned our icons as per cloud style, which is modern looking style. And we have a new backstage view for project management. And we have incorporated this ribbon bar technology, which is a well-known technology from Microsoft Office products. We have incorporated the same thing in Eplan platform also. And new insert sender, a new feature as a one-stop shop. We will see the details in upcoming slides. The idea behind this new GUI is to have a better support for the future developments and the increased acceptance, especially among the new users, so that they won't feel that, this is an old looking software. And we have rearranged all our icons, keeping the focus on workflow related to the engineering task. So to summarize, we have now a modern look and feel environment to support new users as well as the existing users. Welcome to the dark mode and light mode. We have two modes available like any other Office products. Depends upon your choice. You can choose more eye-soothing dark mode or the traditional light mode. Without switching off the software, you can shift these two views. That is possible. And the new ribbon bar technology. So this is a well-known technology. This ribbon bar is a group of large icon, combination of large icons, small icons, and text. And while developing this ribbon toolbar, we have kept a lot of things in mind because this is an engineering software. The first thing was easy access to functionalities. In Eplan platform, we have more than 2,000 functions and menus we have kept under different menu items. So sometimes it would be very difficult to find out each command line. So we thought of rearranging everything under different tabs and under different command groups. Other functionality for ribbon toolbar was simplification of menu structure. For the existing users, you will be already knowing that to access certain menu commands, you need to go in multiple levels inside Eplan. Sometimes 2 to 3 levels, you need to click your mouse button. So we have decided to rearrange those menu structures so that with a couple of clicks, you can access most of our menu items. Simplification of icons for better visualization. Since we have exposed the internal commands, so then we have redesigned all the icons which represents that. We have given new design to it, new modern look and feel, which will help the user to read it faster. Better understanding for a new user who is coming to Eplan platform, he won't feel much difference with his familiar Microsoft Office environment. He can immediately start understanding the workflows inside Eplan itself. Grouping functionality by workflow. So I was telling this is an engineering tool, so we have to keep in mind about the workflow, about a user's design workflow. So we have rearranged our icons as per the design workflow. And we have incorporated a new tell me what you want to do area, where if you are facing some issues to find out some commands, you can just simply type the text so that Eplan will suggest a command. You can directly go to that command. So to summarize, we have focused on typical workflows, simplification of access, which would be easier for new user as well as existing user. Let's have a look at the software. So I'm just switching to the new Eplan Platform 2022. So this is a new workspace for Platform 2022, and you can see the ribbon bars. So this ribbon bar start from Home button. So in the Home tab, we have kept the basic functionalities which we'll be using in our day-to-day design tasks like copy paste or move, copy, etc. You will get it under Home tab. Under Insert tab, we kept all the standard symbols, common symbols like T nodes, black boxes, device connections points, etc. so that you can choose it from this particular area. Edit tab, we have concentrated more on the graphical aspect of the page where you can see rotate, dimensions, group, ungroup, etc. Those commands you will get under Edit tab. View tab gives the overall view about your different aspects, mainly on navigators. You can see now all the navigators, you will get it in one place. You don't need to go to different menu items to find out different navigators, because navigators play an important role in your design phase. So all the navigators, you will get it in one area. Under devices, we have arranged the commands related to the common devices such as PLCs, terminals, Plex, etc., where you will get all those commands and subcommands under this device tab. Connections tab is mainly focused on the connection related commands, cable related commands or wire related commands, etc. For example, if you need to number this particular schematic, in previous versions, you need to have multiple levels. You need to go under multiple levels and then you need to do the numbering. But now you can see that directly you can give the numbering here itself. For example, I'm clicking enter designation and giving OK, so the numbering will happen. So with a click, you are able to access that particular command. Under tools, common commands like report generation or translation, etc., we have kept so that you can come to tools and perform the common commands. Pre-planning tab handles the pre-planning related menus and commands for the pre-planning tool. And under master data, you can see the commands related to the master data such as macros, plot frames, forms, symbols, etc. that you will get it from master data tab. And this is the tell me what you want to area. Suppose I need to search some command. For example, I want to type settings. So you can type here. So it will give you the settings option. So I can directly click on settings. It will go under settings. Here under settings, I'm coming to display user interface. Here you can set your user interface design, whether you need a dark mode or light mode. So if I choose the light mode and I'm giving apply, so immediately the interface will change to light mode. So you don't need to switch off or exit the software and then again reopen. You can directly do it from the setting itself. So let me switch back to the dark mode and I'm giving apply and OK. Okay, so other common commands like grid settings, grid selection, snap to grid, etc. You can see it at the right corner here, the current grid size, zoom in, zoom out, tabs, etc. You will get it here. And left side is a well-known navigator, page navigator, and graphical preview. And here you can merge multiple windows together so that in this area itself, you can keep all the navigators if you need. And right side, we have kept property overview window. Property overview will help you to edit your existing devices. Suppose I need to edit this FC1. In normal case, I will double click it, go to the property and edit it. Instead, what you can do is now you can have a single click. Right side, you will get all the properties so that you can edit it directly, where you can reduce certain fraction of your editing time. So this is about your new workspace. And in one more thing, in your toolbar, just a sec. Okay, so here, this ribbon toolbar, you can create your own ribbon also. That means you can customize your ribbon. For example, here you can see I have added Eplan webcast, and under this new tab, you can create different command groups. Suppose you are using some frequently